Welcome back, guys. I'm Nick from ACTIV Chiropractic, and I'm going to show you how to do some stretches for the rotator cuff muscles. So there's two movements that are mainly in the rotator cuff muscles. That's internal rotation and external rotation. Now it's very important to do these stretches because we need the flexibility and the mobility in our shoulders, and definitely it will also prevent injury as well. Now if you're an athlete and you're doing weightlifting or powerlifting, having overhead movements, it's quite detrimental on the shoulder if you don't have the flexibility or the mobility for it, and you can't perform the movements properly. Now obviously if you do these stretches and have the flexibility and mobility regained, you definitely reduce the chances of injury. For myself, I've noticed if I do squats and if I don't have the flexibility to have the bar on my shoulders and I put it over like so, I've noticed that it's quite painful. So these stretches definitely helped me out. And thirdly, if you do have posture problems and you're hunched over like so, these rotator cuffs normally compensate for that posture problem, this posture compensation. So the muscles spasm and you also feel referred pain into the shoulder. So it's very important to do these stretches, and it will definitely reduce the pain in the shoulders as well. Now most importantly, if you do have problems with your shoulders, it's best to see a chiropractor or a physician and get it assessed properly and get prescribed the proper rehab exercises and conditioning for yourself. Alright guys, for the first stretch for the external rotators, just get a broomstick or a pole, put it behind your back like so, and then put your hand behind your back, grab it on the back, and then bring it over one of your shoulders and hold it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay? Now you might feel like it's wrenching your shoulders and you feel the stretch in your anterior deltoids, which is here, but it also stretches your external rotators as well, which is your infraspinatus and your supraspinatus. You pull it up. So be sure to change the position of the pole onto the other shoulder and pull up like so. And you hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds and relax. And I want you to do about 3 to 4 sets of this. Now you can also do it with a towel as well, but you don't have the pole to actually create that leverage. So what you do is just grab the towel, bring it over your head like so, and then pull the towel upwards like so. And you stretch it and pull it over your shoulder. And then to the other shoulder. And you hold that for about 30 to a minute. So for the internal rotator stretches, what I want you to do is get a pole, put it next to you, put your hand up like you're saying stop, grab it like so, thread the pole underneath, grab the pole underneath like so, and wrench it forward. And grab the pole and it'll pull your forearm backwards, and that will stretch the internal rotators. And you'll hold this for about 30 seconds to a minute, and you do it 3 to 4 sets, so 3 to 4 times. Now, if any of these stretches do cause you pain, just stop immediately and ask a physician, ask your chiropractor, and say, why do these movements hurt for you? And we'll get it assessed and give you proper exercises. And you might have other issues that's going in your neck or in your shoulder. So it's best to stop the exercises if they're causing you pain. Once again guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you want to support my channel, hit like, hit subscribe, or check out my other videos as well for strengthening the rotator cuffs. And I'll see you guys next week.